Once upon a time, in a quiet countryside, it was the beginning of summer. A mother duck sat on her nest of eggs by a pond, waiting patiently for them to hatch. One by one, the eggs cracked open, and out came a bunch of fluffy yellow ducklings, chirping and waddling around. But one egg, the biggest of all, remained unhatched. Finally, with a loud crack, the last egg opened. Out came a large, grayish duckling with a long neck and different features. He was not yellow like the others, and his feathers were dull and awkward. The mother duck looked at him in surprise. "You're not like the others," she said, "but you are still my child." However, the other ducklings and the farm animals were not as kind. "Look at that ugly creature," quacked the other ducklings. "Such an odd-looking thing doesn't belong here," clucked the hens. Even the cat hissed at him. The poor duckling was pecked, mocked, and shunned wherever he went. No one wanted to play with him or sit near him. Hurt and heartbroken, the little duckling ran away from the farm and into the wild. He wandered alone through fields and forests. He came across other animals, but each time he was rejected because of how he looked. Even the wild ducks told him, "You're too ugly to be one of us." Winter came and the world turned cold and snowy. The poor duckling was freezing and starving. One kind farmer found him and took him in. But the farmer's children were noisy and rough. Terrified, the duckling escaped again into the cold. He survived the harsh winter in a hollow between two trees, barely keeping warm. Finally, spring arrived. The sun warmed the earth, flowers bloomed, and everything around the duckling started to glow again with life. One day, he saw a group of the most beautiful birds he had ever seen. Swans, gliding gracefully on the water. Their feathers were white as snow, their necks long and elegant. He felt drawn to them, but remembered how everyone always laughed at him. "They'll probably mock me too," he thought. Still, something inside urged him to go near them. With courage in his heart, he approached the water and looked down at his reflection. To his amazement, he no longer saw a clumsy, ugly duckling. In the water, staring back at him, was a beautiful swan. He had grown and transformed over the long months. He was not a duckling at all. He had always been a swan, born by mistake in a duck's nest. The other swans welcomed him with open wings. Children who came to the pond pointed in delight and said, "Look, that one is the most beautiful of all." The once rejected duckling had found where he truly belonged. Moral of the story: true beauty comes from within. We may feel out of place when we are still growing into who we're meant to be. Don't judge yourself based on others' opinions. Your time will come. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like for more videos.